You're shooting 1 or 2 staples at a time, putting them down. So, I mean, this tool will probably last you 15, 20 years. So you can actually depress and shoot, or you can bump fire.
Hey, what's going on? Barnaby here, along with Jerry of BeA for a manufacturer show-off about the tools that you're interested in. I know that because you clicked on this video, right? You want information about the corrugated fastener or these 2 crown staplers. So Jerry, this is your chance as a manufacturer to talk about the whys and wherefores of your tools and why somebody should buy these over the competition. So let's talk about it. Corrugated fastener, what's this good for?
This corrugated fastener is actually good for joining 2 pieces of wood together. Cabinet shops will use it in miter joints. You may see some pallet repair where they'll actually pull the rail together and repair the rail on it. It's a very heavy tool, very high-powered tool, and just works well.
Yeah, and just in case you wanted to see what the corrugated fastener looks like before it gets pounded into wood, it lives up to its name. It is corrugated, and then by driving it into the wood, it just holds it together, right?
That's correct.
Okay, well, I've got the hose of power right here. Hook it up and talk me through the process. You made mention of the fact that it's heavy. There's obviously a reason for that, right?
Yeah, actually it's a good sturdy tool. Maybe heavy is not the good word for it, but it actually doesn't recoil. Because you're shooting a flat fastener into some hard wood, you want to make sure the tool doesn't recoil back up on you. So we give it a little bit of heft so it doesn't pick up on you. Okay,
let's pound a couple in there and see how it goes. Good and solid, huh?
Yes, it is.
All right, and so let's check it out. Yeah, that's in there solid. And so this is used for what industry?
Actually, you use it in the case good industry. You see it a lot in truss manufacturing, where they're butting 2 pieces of wood together, or maybe some pallet repair.
Okay, so on this, let's go through the loading process, and we'll just take one of your little bricks right here. And when you're loading it in, let's talk about you guys. Do you guys make this as well as the tool, or just the tool?
We actually manufacture the fastener and the tool in Germany.
Okay.
We color code the top of our fastener so you know which way to put it in the tool. If you happen to put it in upside down, you get the blades coming up rather than going into the wood.
Okay.
So you basically just drop them in the magazine, close it, and you're good to go.
Okay. Now this is intended for industrial use right here, right?
That's correct.
Okay, so is it manufactured with just beefier materials inside to withstand the day in and day out? Take me through the process on that.
Yeah, I mean, this tool has a lot of shock to it, a lot of energy, so it is developed a little heavier than most, a little beefier than most.
Yeah.
Manufactured in Germany, been in line a lot of years, a very proven tool.
Yeah, well, I mean, what's the life expectancy on these tools, would you say?
You know, actually these tools last a long time because you're not rapid firing them. I mean, you're shooting 1 or 2 staples at a time, putting them down, so, I mean, this tool will probably last you 15, 20 years.
Wow. Well, that's just a ballpark, but it's still a good point of reference, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay, and then with the big kapow comes a big poof of air. Where does that come out?
It actually exhausts away from the operator out of the top of the tool.
Okay, let's lay this bad boy down and move on to the world of crown staplers. You got 2 different gauges right here. What would these be good for?
Well, this is actually our quarter crown tool. It's a 1/4 inch crown, 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inch, 18 gauge staple, primarily used in cabinet manufacturing, case goods, used in the RV market, mobile home market. You can put Luan down, and on site they actually use it for soffit.
Okay, and it's got the point of actuation right there, right?
Yeah, it's got what we call a wraparound safety, so you can actually depress and shoot, or you can bump fire.
Oh, nice. And I see it's top loading.
It's actually a top load tool.
Yep.
Just drop them in, let it slide. The reason we make this tool a top load tool rather than a bottom load tool, there are some cabinet manufacturers that actually like to mount these tools so they can mount them from the cap, and we make a remote fire trigger that goes in here so they can actually actuate them with a foot pedal or a electric sensor. So.
Okay, and then the gauges on these are what again?
It's actually an 18 gauge tool, 1/4 crown. This tool here is our 711 tool. This tool goes from a 1/2 inch up to 1 5/8. And if you notice, this one's got a little beefier cylinder on it. Actually stores a little more air. It's just got a little more energy. This tool does the same applications as that tool, cabinets, millwork, Luan, but we actually see this in the furniture framing industry as well. So they actually shoot 1 1/4 inch staple into OSB board with this tool.
Okay, and OSB is a tougher nut to crack because it's just glue and wood chips, right?
That's correct.
Yeah, okay, so then what's the warranty on these?
A 1-year warranty, manufacturer's warranty.
And who do you talk to if you want to buy one of these?
You know, we sell through distributors. We have 200 distributors nationwide. They're in most major cities in the U.S. And if you don't know where a distributor is in your area, just contact us in Greensboro and we'll put you in touch with a distributor.
Excellent. And then the distributor is the one that handles all warranty calls?
All the warranty calls and service.
Excellent, man. Well, thanks for the good information.
You're welcome.
Because you know what? These guys make the tools. You're interested in maybe buying one of the tools. We don't know. You're researching the information, which is great for you because Tool Select is here not only with the manufacturer overview, but we also shot what we call a one-on-one, where we get behind the scenes at BeA to figure out their history, their design philosophy, the materials they use. It's really good information, and it's all here for you at toolselect.com.